Has indicated, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mxolisi Matshamba. I run that entity called Small Enterprise Finance Agency, which is actually in the last stages of being merged with this entity, small, what is the other one?
Small Enterprise Development Agency. Oh, wow.
No, actually.
And then the next one is the cooperatives bank. Yeah, so that we need to. I think you're asking me about the cooperatives.
Yes, and you jumped.
I was just like, Yeah, no, please proceed. Please proceed.
We as small agents, I must admit, in terms of balance sheet, but with a very, very massive mandate of providing access to finance to SMMEs. We mainly focus in township-based and rural-based enterprises, but it doesn't mean that we exclude enterprises that would want to operate in the urban space, because you don't want to ghettoize small businesses and keep them on the periphery of the economy. We do support those enterprises that want to grow into the urban areas and your peri-urban. Yeah. We also provide finance. I think last year we did about 78,000 SMMEs that we provided. I'm talking about disbursements, not just approvals, to the SMME sector in the economy. The products that we provide really is your direct lending, where we provide funding directly to the SMME, but we also partner in the main with commercial banks, where we provide credit guarantee. We're the only credit guarantee institution of the state that has been around for more than 35 years, where we guarantee the loans that what we call banks provide to SMMEs. But what we don't do, we don't disclose that we guarantee your loans that the banks actually are providing. Reason being, we avoid what is called a moral dilemma, where the moment people know that the state guarantees, they stop paying. So international best practice that the state does not lend to taxpayers. And to avoid that very same what we call moral dilemma, we work closely with the majority of the big banks in the country, except one that I think is for the super rich. I won't name it. It's got a grayish.
It's fine.
And we also do provide microfinance, particularly to your rural. Those ones actually are at the bottom of the barrel. Your rural women who actually do basic what we call trading in events in the main, and also some of them they do your knitting, some they do open kitchens. We follow actually those ones, they follow what we call a green banking system. So we don't do it directly. We work with the intermediaries. We give them money, or we loan them money. Let me say that, and then they own lend to these poorest of the poor. And our approach there really, we don't even make money there. We actually do it on a cost recovery basis, because it is a poverty alleviation program that we pursue. And also we do work with other financial intermediaries, where we on lend money to these financial intermediaries, and then they also on lend now to your what we call SMMEs. More especially people get government contracts, and those who get contracts from corporates and the mining houses. And finally, we're going to be launching a new product, working with the private sector for crowdfunding. Reason being, the fiscus is getting constrained. And we realize that other than just